we are going to scrap ESPN Quick Info website. Right? Shall we go into ESPN Quick Info? ESPN Quick Info. This is actually the website. Right? I'm doing everything real time. So it's not that we are going to only particular links. Whatever link we want, we can scrap. Okay. In the ESPN Quick Info, I'm going to Stats Group. I'm having a link called the Stats Group. In the Stats menu, I'm having something called as Stats Group. Can everyone see this Stats Group? Everyone, please be unmuted. I want you guys to open and speak. Please. This is a request from my side.
Tag group.
Yes, that's group. So I'm just going inside it. If you see here, this is actually a world's largest data warehouse for all the cricketing data, right? So I'm just clicking in the batting records now, and in the batting records, it is actually the default thing. If I want to change with respect to India or some other thing, it will come what team you want, like that. I'm not doing anything. I'm directly taking off. Take the data for all the teams, starting from 15 March 1877 to 15 Jan 2021. From that, all the team records is going to be taken. The batsman list alone, right? I'm just submitting the query. Yes, once I submit it, I'm getting this list. See here, there are around 3029 records, but in the single page, it is only showing 1 to 50 records. These 50 records I can scrap within a single program, right? Now, you guys are going to help me in finding the class, okay, or
Sir,
climbing the ID. Yes, you can. Now I'm going to right click inspect, right click inspect is there. Now I'll say you what I'm going to scrap. Okay, I want uh, this thing. SR Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar. I need 1989 to 2013. I need 200, 329, 33,000, 15,921, 248 star, 3.78, 51, 68, 14. These things I need. Right, these things I actually need by scrapping. Right now, what I have to do? You guys should say me. What I have to click now? Shall I click this inspect now?
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Now what is now? I'll just move down. You say me what is the route? Whether this is a route?
Entire page. Yes, sir.
Yes. So I shall I click this? Yes, I clicked
Div
this.
div of
Now div, what is the class name?
div class PN1650
PM
Very
MB.
good.
one six
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now I'll go to my page. I'll go to my collab. It's my collab. It's Let me copy the Flipkart code and then come to that page. I'm just copying the Flipkart. Now can you see the collab page?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Just
sir.
just I was working in the Flipkart page. Okay, so only. So here the Flipkart is there, right? This is our yesterday's code, right? I'm just changing it into scrapping the information from ESPN Quick Info, right? What link I should put here? I should remove this. What will come here? This link, right? This link entirely should be coming here. Copy. I'll come to my collab. I just delete this. Okay, now this is actually the URL. I just copied it and pasted here. Next, what I will do?
Re same. And we need to content. We need to keep the content page division, sir. I mean class.
Yes. After this, be a request URL, everything same. Soup is equal to beautiful soup p dot content HTML person, everything same. Content is equal to soup dot find all of. Now going again to my Flipkart ESPN Quick Info page. I go to inspect and I see what is my root screen, and this is my entire root of all the pages. And if I click this, I get everything. I just go down as slow as possible. Then here I get something. I just go down, and in between, see you just scroll one by one. If I keep here, everything is getting highlighted. This is one thing. That is CI home contents 1HS. This is one thing. I can also go even Go down. Just move the mouse pointer slowly. And see, this is one of the whole thing. And I move as slow as possible. As slow as possible. As slow as possible. Move. Now if you see here, this is what I need, right? I just click here. When I click here, I found that I'm getting this particular page PN1650M. Right? I can also confirm that you just click this arrow and see all the table, all the TD values, everything will be present here. All the table values will be present, right? And you can also come back here and see where is Tendulkar. I'm just moving here. I'm keeping here where is Tendulkar. I just click here and I get the line here. That is Tendulkar's ID.
Left.
What is the tag?
TD.
TD. Now, very good. Now we don't want to use TD. At div, we need to use TD as you can say. Classes left. Just to go above. Above is T body. Then above, go to the left. Next to table. Next to div. Now, if you see here, who is the root for all the TD values? This person. PN1650M. Right? Now, what I have to put here, I just double click here. I just control copy. I go to here. What I have to change here,
Class.
the collab page, the same div will be there. Instead of this class name, I remove it. I put here control copy paste PN1650M. So far, so good. Any doubt is there by here?
No, sir.
Yes. So this is not needed for us like this, maybe because it is slightly somewhat different. Those both mostly same, but let me light it one more time also, so that it will be even more clear. Because here class name will not be present for other things, right? So the same thing I need to write. I'm going to say item full or player full. Anything you can write item full. Next for item in content, that is this page. For item in content, this root page. What I have to do? I say I can create a local list items of items is equal to one local list. Now I need to find the player data. So what is the player data here? First I want to go for Sachin name. Name is Sachin. I just come here. I click here. What is the ID?
Left TD.
Yes,
TD.
TD. So tag. What is the tag I need to use?
TD tag.
Oh, no, say the full code. Let me type as player name is equal to or player is equal to. Like the player is equal to item dot find of what I have to write here. Item dot find of
Div class.
no div not. What is that div? What it is not div. What is it?
This is TD, sir.
TD. So what I have to write here? TD,
TD1.
comma, class underscore is equal to
Copy paste.
left only now. Left. So
Left.
this is
Left.
the thing. But we are not going to use this. There is a meaning. There is a thing to say here. Why? Because now if you come back again, I just put the inspect for span. That is what is his range. He started in 1989 and ended in 2013. So I just click here. What is the thing coming here? Like now Devendra said, same TD, same class is equal to left. Then how my program will differentiate Sachin Tendulkar and his span? Can anyone say?
Year difference is there, no, sir.
No. Then if you are saying your difference is there. Now coming to 200, what is 200?
TD 200 over there.
No class is there. Coming to 329. What is 329? Again TD. 33 is TD. Everything is TD. What you will do?
We should we can take the main class.
TD of 0, TD of 1.
Very good. This is actually a list kind of. So when I use find, it is taking only the one record. When I say find all, it will take all the tags with the particular name. If I say find all TD, it will take all the TD tags and place it in a single list. So how many TDs are there? One name, one span, yeah, this 200, 329, 33. All the TD values will be taken and place it in a single list. I find all. So now you say whether I have to put here find or find all.
Find all.
If I put find all it means that I need to find all the TD with the class's name is equal to left. How many TD is there with the class name left? Only
2.
Sachin Tendulkar and his span. The two player name and the span is either left. Others are all not having the class. So what I can do, I can remove the class name. Now if I put find all the TD values, what will happen? All the TD will come here. This 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm moving the mouse in the HTML. You see the user interface. It is also changing. 33. What is 15921? 248, 53.78, 51, 68, 14. And then another TD is there for that hyperlink. That also is there. All the things will be taken when I put find all. Am I making it clear?
Sir.
Yes. So now we have extracted everything in a single line itself. So instead of saying it as player, I say entire player data. Entire player data is ready now. Any doubts is there for you. Using this is as the root ID. I make everything possible and then commit with the tag TD. I want to say you one more thing, right? Now I just select the inspect again. See Sachin Tendulkar data alone. Every Sachin Tendulkar data, what is the immediate parent of this all TD values? This all TD values is surrounded in what class?
Left, TD left.
No, no, no. What is the
TR.
upper class?
Data
TR.
one.
TR,
TR.
TR,
Very good. Very good. Who is this? Very good. TR. What is the class of that?
data 1,
Data
Data
one.
one.
Data one. After who is the grandparent?
T body,
Who is the another grandparent?
table,
Table. Next, finally, the grandparent is
division, main.
PN1650. Yeah. You can put this, but what will happen is it is computationally more complex when you take the highest grandparent. So you should go as low as possible and then take the grandparent, the closest grandparent. Okay. So now you are keeping the cursor here. Now see all the Sanjay Tendulkar data is being selected. A single line. Now we need to see what is for Ricky Ponting. I go down and then select Ricky Ponting now. You all the Ricky Ponting data should be selected. See here, Ricky Ponting is selected. Another. So if I say data one, all the data will be selected, right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Here.
instead of putting here that PN1650M, can I put data one,
Hmm.
which is be more efficient?
Okay,
Am I
sir.
right or wrong?
Sir, divot there is a TR there,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. I missed. Sorry. If I put data one, I should put TR. Why? Because here it is TR. It is TR and data one, right? So again, it is very clear. If I keep my cursor in this place, can you see my cursor point?
Yes, sir.
Can you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I'm just moving the cursor in the HTML page, which is highlighted here in the UI.
Yes.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin,
I just move here. Now who is highlighted?
RT bond.
Ricky Ponting.
RT Pandey. Now Jack Ellis. Next to Dravid. So who is actually responsible for all the class values?
Data
TR
one.
with class is equal to data one. That's what I'm doing. My nearest parent. I'm not going for the grand or greatest grandparents. I'm going to
Yes,
my
sir.
nearest parent. Now am I making it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now for this I'm putting data one. Now all the things are available here in TD. Player data. Find all will return everything as a list. But you should understand here the player data will contain everything as HTML. You should say player data dot text. I want to convert everything into dot text. Then only I can extract it. Okay. So what I will
Print,
do
print command.
for I in
For
player
in
data.
player
Player
data,
data I dot text. That's it. I want to say items. My this is actually the list, right? My empty list. I say items dot append of I
player
dot text.
data,
So
text.
all the player data items one by one will be converted into the text, and that converted items will go to the list called as items. Next, what I'll do, I'll put everything, all the items inside item full dot append of items. That's all matter over. So here I want to have a CSV file. I just upload everything in item full will now be uploaded into the CSV file. Yes. the entire data of a cricketing top batsman is going to be extracted in a single second. It's running. We'd have changed it into the Flipkart items instead of Flipkart action. I should give something like uh, player, what a batsman data. Can do like this. Go to the file explorer. I want to see here batsman data. The batsman data is there. So here something is happened. Player data is equal to item dot find all of TD. One go down. Let us check what is there. None type find all of TD. Let me go to the batting records. You will see TD is present here. Data one class underscore. I'll come back here to my code.
TR
Underscore should be there, sir.
TR అనుకుంటా TD
Find
కాదనుకుంటా.
and all.
Which one?
Is that TD or TR? Final find all TD or TR?
TD.
TD only.
Find underscore all should be there, sir.
Yes, find underscore all. Sorry. Thank you. Now it will come here. Go to the page.
ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి ఇది? సరే ఏం సార్ ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి?
Batsman data. Yes, got it. But I need to add the headings here. Headings is not added. So only first row is considered as heading row. I will add headings now. Okay, no issue. And one more thing to consider here is the last one is empty. Why? Because the empty row is nothing but that this row. This triangle is there, na? This triangle. So that is read as an empty item. Okay, the link is there. So we can also omit it if needed. Okay. Now, instead of having the first row as heading directly, I need to give headings separately. Right? Shall we give that headings now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the headings? We can keep that. We can take the headings directly from this record. Whatever headings we have here, we can use the same headings. For headings and all, we need not read, or we can also directly give the headings. Player span
Matches
0. Just copy this. Control C, and then I come here. Yes, here I'll enter all the things like headings or head row. Head row is equal to a list. I want to create a list with all the things. I want to put everything inside a single quotes string. And headings.
తమ్ముడు
Hence descending. This average 100. FP 0. My headings are ready. Just upload this heading in the CSV file. So here is there now CSV writers dot write rows. If I say write rows, it will upload all several rows at the same thing. If it is a list of list, if you are going to upload a single list, just write CSV writer dot write row. Write row means one list, single list. So I say head row. That head row is there now. This CSV, this list. I just say head row. That's it. I run this again. Now I open the batsman data again. One empty list is naked because one empty row is there, right? So one empty thing is also needed for that hyperlink. the batsman. Yes. Can you see this? Player span, mat, innings, not out, runs descending, highest score, average 100, 50, and 0. And this is an empty row, the empty column. I can also remove this data, right? Now, is it fine, right? Now everything is ready here. Yes. Actually, totally 50 items are there. So you can take all the 50.
You got error, no, sir? One error. How you, sir? Sir, I didn't see that. I got the same error. Could not fetch the player data from backend like that issue.
Yes. I missed one column name.
Okay, sir.
I'll go there. See, can you see my collab page here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll go to the ESPNcricinfo page also first. In ESPN, this column is there now. This right triangle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For this, this is also read by the scrapping pool. Beautiful soup also read this, but for this, no column name is there. Na? This link will not be read as a string also because I'm converting this image into dot text. When image is converted into text, we will not get anything because I'm putting dot text, I dot text. So what will happen? It will become an empty row. For this empty row also, I should give some column name. So what I made is, I went to this list. I gave an empty empty string here.
Okay,
Just a
sir.
double quote. That's why an empty column is created here. See?
Okay.
If you see here,
Sir,
an empty column is created.
okay. Sir, 1 second, you open that link, sir. I have one small
Collab.
batting records. Oh no, sir. Batting records. Team.
Okay.
There, how you selected entire Sachin Tendulkar details, sir? Like clicking side low. Where you click, sir?
Okay. I go to the inspect. Right click. Inspect. I just click this inspect icon. I come here. I just say Sachin Tendulkar here. When I clicked Sachin Tendulkar, I got TD. And I want to see who is the parent of this TD. Who is the parent? TR. Right? TR is the parent of TD. So I go to the TR, and if I see TR, I'm ensuring whether he is the parent or not. I found that he is the parent. How? When I keep the cursor here, the entire Sachin Tendulkar row got selected.
Okay. I checked in left side, sir. I did not select the entire. That's why I asked.
No, you got,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Yes. I will put a link in the chat box. Everyone use this link also. Okay. In this link, this is actually for ODI. Now we extracted for test matches. Now I put this link. This link is for ODI matches. No change in the code. Just change the link, you'll get the result. Right? Just change the link and see what result you are getting. That is for ODI. Change the file name CSV also. I go to the collab, and here I go here and change the link. Only one thing is extra, that is I'm removing the test match records and keeping the ODI match records. Yes. I'm just changing the file also. Batsman data ODI. ODI matches. Two type of matches is there. Three types: ODI, Test match, and T20. Right. Now I'm taking the ODI records. I'm just running. No change in the code. Only link is changed. I want to create a new file. Just click enter. Yes. So I got ODI also. Okay, now some columns are being mismatched. What is that column is? Go here. I got another column here called as strike rate, best figure, those things and all. Now I take this again. So what is missing? Player is there, man, mat, innings, not out, runs, highest score, average, everything is there. Best figure, SR is not missing. I hope. I go here. Best BF and SR are missing. I type here BF, SR. We can also extract the headings also if needed, such as AV, VFS 150 and 0. 150 0. Right now I run this. Let me check whether I have given all the headings. Yes, I got SR also. Right. You also can do this. The link is I have given in the chat box. Use this. And this ODI table we got right. For this table, we are going to use multiple linear regression for modeling the strike rate. Right, for modeling the strike rate, I'm going to use multiple linear regression. for the ODI table. This table I'm going to use. Okay. Yes. Now everyone, please change the link. Also have a second layer file like that. Second output file like that. Right.
Now where you have changed, sir? Now.
No, nothing. Like here I'm going. Here it is showing. We previously we are in the test record. Now I'm
Ah,
going to the see. We see here. Previously we are in test this side. Na. I just
sir.
click the ODI. Next I will click T20. Everything. Everything they are keeping the same TD only.
But
Only. I'm just.
had
I want to extract more and more. So only I kept a ODI now. Next, if you want to go to T20, link will change. If you change the file name, you'll get another file. Otherwise, the same file will get overwritten. So on.
sir, now you just changed the head notes, sir.
I changed the link head notes. Why I change head note is head rows is actually this when I come to ODI, BF best figure and SR. These two columns are extra. In test, when I click the test, this BF and SR are not there. See the BF and SR are not there. So when I went there, those are secure. So I added that. If you come to
Okay.
T20i, there will be some more also. 4s, 6, those things are also available. Number of 4s, number of 6s, everything you can also update. But change the file name of the CSV file also. Change the link, change the head row, and change the file name. I clicked here batsman data ODI. Right. So why I was more consistent with ODI is we can do more analysis on ODI because more ODI matches are done rather than test matches. Okay, so T20s are less at the same time test matches also less. So we can go for ODI. Okay. Now I want you guys, those who are completed, to do this PubMed. Can you see this PubMed window? What I have opened here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is actually a web page for extracting the papers related to biotechnological information. Right. So I just
Okay.
type here like machine learning. Type here machine learning related papers. I click here search. I got many papers. So this is actually one website. And I go down, and there are around 10 papers in this one page. In one page, there are doing. I click here show more. So if I click show more, it is going for I click another show more. As many show more are there, you just click it out. Okay, some 50 at least from 50 pages let it be. Now it's time. Now it's time for the PubMed people. Coming to Devendra. Devendra, what is your issue? You are scrapping author
I
and
tried to
journal.
grab all. I got
But
one, sir.
only author is okay. No, only journal is being displayed. What is that? Can I see the?
One.
Yes,
Sir.
I'll go to the PubMed. Let me check the docs and title. Everything is correct or not. Okay, first let me check from my side whether you have
Yes.
written correctly or not. Now I'll say the class. Now you check me and say whether you have done the same or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me once I also do, then I can find the class name.
Okay, sir.
What is the class name you use for the root docsum hyphen content div? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Do, sir.
That's what correct. But you wrote it as A for title.
For
Okay.
title.
What is
Do,
the
sir.
root? What is the root? Root. I think the root is
Devendra, sir, if
root
he
is
used article in content and
Root
docs,
is article, sir.
yes, sir,
Content,
and
root is
full docs
article,
means
and
he'll get all the
class
items.
also full doc sum is coming class.
okay. Now I think you can use docsum content. Docsum hyphen content you can use, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Docsum hyphen content for
Aha,
content.
full hyphen doc sum.
Full hyphen docsum because I got output with docsum hyphen content itself. So only I said I
Yes.
just used for that same Flipkart code. I removed the content with docsum hyphen content for paper title. Docsum hyphen title for author. Docsum underscore authors space full underscore authors. This is what I use. I got the result.
Sir, this only, no, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
yes.
used this, sir.
No. I say right. Take the nearest parent. Now what you have to do? Just to go to the title. Click the inspect icon. Go to the
Okay,
machine
sir.
learning for clinical. No, don't do that. Go to the machine learning for clinical decision support in infect PS disease. Keep the cursor there.
Alright, sir.
No, exactly in the same line, pa. Yes, click
Alright,
that.
sir.
Click that. Yes. Now, it's slightly zoom the screen. Zoom the screen.
This screen is not zooming, sir. Here.
Oh, this screen is not zooming. Okay. Now, if
Alright,
you
sir.
see a dog title, who is the parent of dog title? Dog some title.
Parent due, sir. Dogs
Dog
content.
some content. That's what I'm saying. Just
Alright.
take that. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yugandhar, you agree with me, Yugandhar, what I said?
Hi, sir.
Yes. I'm taking the nearest parent. That's it. Dog some content. Dog some title. And
Yes, sir. Now I got, sir.
great. 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 I need
Sir,
output.
sir. 1 minute.
Background item dot find. Okay. You printed everything here. File is not there.
File also.
Usually printing in the console, here we don't need to do that. You can use file itself. So the entire file, just drag the file to the middle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, author want to give the head row, I think so. Okay.
Can I share, sir, with
Oh,
head?
entire paper you shared. Okay, okay, very good. I want to see background. What is in the background? Yes, Abhiram, 1 minute after this.
Sir, background this one.
Oh, that paper introduction like something. Great, great,
Sir.
great, great. Like if you want to do literature survey, automatically literature survey can be obtained in specified format. Later
Can I
paper
start, sir?
mission. Great. Yes. Abhiram, yes, now you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, visible. Sir,
Yes. Uh,
most,
it is actually loading. Yes, now got the black screen. Okay. I need the output. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Why you use this for loops? Yeah?
sir, in one, I don't know how to keep in one, sir. I'm getting some others. That's why I used.
Okay, make it as efficient as possible.
Yes. Sir, output
Oh,
can.
wow. Nice. Super. Super output.
Yes,
Yes. Just looking
that's
like in PPT, we will be writing, right? Title, author, citation, PMID. Okay. Share is that what background? That's did by Nancy.
yes,
Now
sir.
immediately you also did that. Okay. We got a head row
That's
also ready. Next time, what we can actually do is we get the head row directly from scratch. That is from web pages, head row will be available. In ESPN, it is available. Right?
Sir, here I took rain, sir, to change the URL for all pages. Can go through n number of
It's loading.
pages if
Loading.
I give.
It is loading for me. It's came for me.
Here using for loop, I am changing URL and extracting for
Yes,
each
got
page,
it.
sir. And in each page, author and
Wow,
citation and
great.
6 fields I have. Using pandas I am doing, sir. It is 2 steps only. I will
Okay.
give the iterable here and headers here, and getting the head of the
I have. It
total
is always one step ahead.
and using this command easily we can convert it into CSV.
Great.
That's it, sir.
But why we are actually doing like scrapping and then updating in the CSV file is we this reading from the data say reading the data directly from website is always more costly. Why? Because all the website uses Ajax and they are dynamic. The data changes again and again. So when we include more number of data structures in our program, the running time of the program will decrease. So only we are not using many data structures inside. The same thing I said to
And
Abhiram also. If you use more for loops, it will be slow.
but we cannot go to all pages
Yes,
with
yes, I understand it.
okay. With pandas we can change make edits
Yes,
before
yes.
saving.
Great. This is actually very great. Many people are doing many more. Great. Biomed scrapping. Okay. That Scrappy is actually another app Python package. Scrap Py. That is called a Scrappy. So Scrappy package is there. Scrappy package is used to scrap data in runtime itself. So this is beautiful soup is also from runtime, and Scrappy is equivalently good. Scrappy is actually recently developed by GitHub forum people. In GitHub and all, they'll be contributing, right? Likewise, some GitHub open source people have contributed a scrapping package that is Scrap Py. Like for MongoDB, everything and all you're getting, right? PyMongo. Python plus MongoDB, that is PyMongo. Like that, some GitHub people are contributing, right? Likewise, for scrapping data from website, GitHub people have contributed like scrapping data from website plus Python using Python together called as Scrap Py. That is also available, right? Beautiful Soup is a by default package that comes from the Python source and people itself. Some other open source people they contribute that, and that's what we use here. Beautiful Soup. Both are equivalently good. No much difference will be there, or no drawback will be there on one over the other.